Yo, what's up, guys? It's another beautiful day in Massachusetts. I got the bike out today. Looking beauteous. We got that Gold Series fatty pipe on there. A little bit rusty. Not too bad though, you know. A little bit of rust on there. So in my last video, I dropped my helmet on the ground and my GoPro broke off. So I just had it glued on the front there. I used a two-part epoxy designed for plastic. I forget what brand exactly it was, but it was some plastic weld stuff. And it worked pretty well, you know. But if you drop it face down on the GoPro mount, obviously it's going to break off. Also, the GoPro I'm using right now has a scuff and a chip in the glass now. So I'm hoping you guys can't see that. It's not too bad. So I don't think it's affecting it. What I want to do today is go behind my house in the woods and look for some potential options to make some trails back here. There's a stream back here, and we used to have a bridge going across the stream, but it's been washed away from like several spring times of, you know, snow melt. When the snow melts in the spring, this stream turns into a river. Maybe I can get this bridge back up in a position where I can cross it, or maybe I have to make a new bridge. I was thinking about just making a small one, like out of a single plank of like 2x12, and maybe reinforce it just wide enough to get my tire across. You know, quads don't ever have to use this trail or anything. It's just going to be strictly for my dirt bike and anyone else who has a dirt bike who wants to ride around my backyard. This is what the stream looks like. Now this bridge over here has seen better days. Man, there's all kinds of logs and stuff jammed under there. I guess I'm gonna try to, man, it's like part of the bank now. It's like all this mud has built up, you know. This wasn't here. This bridge was over here. Going that way, I guess. I think maybe if I can come in here, this angle, and come down like this, then I can cut up, and there's a trail that goes up that way. It's already there. And it doesn't really go anywhere, but that's kind of the trail I want to extend. I guess I'm going to try to move this bridge. Operation Bridge Rescue was not a success. So what I'm thinking, I want to come in right there, like this. I want to come along down next to this tree, and I want to head right over here. I know you guys are thinking, hey asshole, you don't need a bridge. That's true, at the moment. Last time I was down here, this water was very deep, and it was raging. I'd rather just have a bridge I could ride over no matter what the condition or the level of the stream is. So right now, yeah, I don't need a bridge. I'm gonna take some measurements and maybe go to Home Depot and get some wood and build myself a bridge. Looks like the bridge I need to make is gonna be about 18 feet long. Alright guys, I'm headed over to Home Depot now. I'm gonna check out some lumber. I don't really have any idea what 2x6s and 2x12s and stuff like that cost, so we're gonna check it out. Here we are, guys. The home of the depot. all the way to the bottom. Coming along. I'm fighting with this a little bit, but it's coming along. We're getting there. Okay guys, so it's a little flimsy. I can walk across it, but there's no way I can ride my bike across this right now. But this is the general idea. You might say, why did you build such a narrow bridge? Reason one, dirt bikes are narrow, so that's all that's really necessary. Reason two, weight. It was just easier for me to build this by myself. And reason three, cost. The bottom is 2x10s. There's an 8-foot piece and a 12-foot piece. The sides, there's 4 pieces. Those are 2x6s, or 2x8s, I think, 2x8s. Those are 10 feet long. So what that does, if you notice, is the joints for the sides are here, here, and here, and the joint for the bottom is there. That's the reason I didn't buy all 10-foot pieces of wood, then both joints would be here, and the bridge would fail. Like I said, right now, it is very flimsy, but I'm going to end up having to put maybe a couple posts going down into the stream, or I'll figure something out. Alright guys, the bridge is finished. It's the next day. I just put an angle iron support in the middle of the bridge, and now it's solid as a rock. So I'm going to get the dirt bike and I'm going to go across, and then I'm going to see how it works. I think it's going to work good. As you can see, the bridge works perfectly. I'm really happy. I hope you enjoyed this build, and if you're thinking about building a dirt bike bridge for a stream by your house, then maybe you'd consider this method. I don't know. Leave me some comments. Tell me what you would have done different, or whatever. Like, comment, subscribe. See you next week, guys.